So today gaganapin namin ang aming social experiment. So before that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Tatabay M. Aludin together with my group member.
I'm Yasria K. Usman.
Shahani Mastura.
Ay Marian Silimos.
So dito sa social experiment na to is gagawin namin is mag-iiwan kami ng gamit or like cellphone, panyo. So titignan namin kung yung gamit na yon is ibabalik sa amin ng mga tao or hindi. So tara!
Good day everyone. Today we will show you the social experiment we conducted. In this experiment, my groupmates and I decided to sit with a group of strangers and left our phone to see what they would do. Tingnan na natin!
Sunod ang gagawin natin ngayon ay aksidenteng mahuhulog ang panyo sa daan. Let's see kung may pupulot. Let's go!
So that's the end of our video. So through this experiment, we learned that people have different reaction in unexpected situation. Some are honest, yung iba naman is like gina-ignore lang or gina-obserbahan lang. So this made us realize the importance of awareness and valuing honesty. Yan lang. Thank you.
Simple act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day. So, pinapakita dun sa social experiment ko, which is yung sa video na ginawa ko, kasama yung group member ko na si Shahani Mastura, is iniwan ko yung cellphone ko, I mean. And then, nung pagkaalis ko is, yung babae is, yung estudyante, is binigay niya sa akin kaagad yung naiwan ko na cellphone. So, nakikita doon na hindi pa rin nawawala sa atin ng mga tao ang tumulong sa kapwa natin. So, yun ang natutunan ko. Kung kaya naman natin tumulong, so why not na hindi natin tulungan yung ibang tao kung kaya naman natin sila i-reach out. So, yun lang.
Our social experiment, which involved dropping a handkerchief and intentionally forgetting a phone in a public place, provided us with the meaningful insights about human behavior, honesty, and social awareness. Through this activity, we were able to observe how people react in real-life situations when faced with opportunities to either help or take advantage of someone else's carelessness. First, when we dropped the handkerchief, we noticed that most people were quick to respond. May mga lumapit at pinulutang panyo, saka ito ibinalik. And then, doon namin nakita na marami pa ring Pilipino, lalo na yung mga estudyante, na may malasakit at kabutiang asar kahit sa simpleng bagay lang. However, the outcome was quite different when we forgot the phone. So, sa second social ginawa naman namin is may ilan agad na napansin yung phone na iniwan pero hindi kumilos, habang iba naman ay parang nagdadalawang isip kung ibabalik ba nila o hindi. Dito namin naobserbahan na kapag mas mahalaga ang bagay, mas sinusubok ang katapatan ng isang tao. So, in conclusion, this activity reminded us that small acts of honesty and kindness reflect who we truly are. Returning something that is not ours or helping someone in need may seem like a simple gesture, but it strengthens trust and humanity in society. The experiment provided that while not everyone reacts the same way, goodness still exists, and it often begins with the choices we make in everyday moments.
Good day, everyone. Through this social experiment, we learned that human behavior is shaped by both values and circumstances. Many people still act with integrity and kindness, but there are also moments when self-interest and hesitation appear. It taught us that as individuals, we should remain honest and compassionate no matter how small or big the situation is. We also realized the importance of being more aware of our surroundings and the impact of our actions, whether we are the one who lost something or the one who found it. That's all, everyone. Thank you.
Good day everyone! So today gaganapin namin ang aming social experiment. So before that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Tatabay Emma Ludin. Together
Wait, di ka pa baloy.